design and thickness. And the 1.5, 2.5 same. Like this. Yeah. Circle, whatever. It takes 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Yes. You go first.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Perfect. Next two. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Next process is polishing. Please pick up this machine from your desk. Yes. Okay. This is attachment. You use number 1, 2, 3 only. Yes. Yes. Safety check.
Okay. It's so fun.
It's like polishing a gumdrop.
Yeah. Do you do this actually?
You can actually get a machine like this, but not specifically like this.
Jewelry.
Yeah.
Let me check. It's so shiny. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Exchange.
Okay.
How do you do it so fast?
Okay. That's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay, and exchange number 2.
Don't be too fast.
Okay.
This is not a competition.
Signing your company. Because there's like different levels.
Yeah, I wanted to buy a sander like this. It's like it moves like this to sand out the knobs.
The one final step. So fast.
Too fast? Okay, I'll wait for you then.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Perfect.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Are you almost done? Because I keep touching it and then it gets smudging. I think it's fine.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, you're shiny. Super shiny.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're great. Sorry. Thank you. It's okay.
Thank you.
You have to practice design. That'll be up like this. Triangle. Up, down, up, down, up, down, etc.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, be careful, don't hit the edge. If you hit the edge, scratch.
Oh.
I can fix.
Oh, okay.
Be careful.
Okay. So you have to use the middle side.
Go across.
Okay. So up a little.
Yeah, up, down.
How hard?
Yeah, hard.
Higher.
Yes, yes.
Wow. I need to use more strength than you think. You see? I try a bit and it's just like that.
Just heavy the one.
Yours is much better. All over the place. Mine is so bad.
Okay, I think I get that.
How? Who are you? I mean, I don't care. Like, at this point, this is not bad already. It looks like a jewelry. So it's just like I just
You
keep-
confident?
No.
Are you nervous?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Ah, no. No.
No?
I don't. Okay. Try again.
Okay, perfect. You did it. Yeah. Okay. If you feel tight a little more chilly, then you just
A bit tight.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I keep getting it. I'm scared I overdo it.
Oh. I think you need to be harder.
Yeah, thanks.
Both there.
Okay.
Maybe this. I'm still not good at taking out.
Yeah. Relax on the finger.
Do I need to be under the line?
Oh, good. Yes, yes, perfect.
Okay.
You're there. Are you tired?
No, it's not tired. Stress. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
You need to keep practicing.
Yeah, yeah.
The technique is that this one you need to relax. You cannot do this. Relax and then you shiver like this.
Help.
And
Yeah, you
push
see this.
up and shake, shake. Keep push.
Shake.
Yeah.
But clearly this is too tight.
To the side. Let me check. Let me check. Check. Oh. Two more. Other side.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Help.
Is that right?
Stressful.
We haven't like buffed the.
Oh, I haven't logged into Zeus since last week.
Yes. One direction like this.
It's more aggressive than I thought.
Yeah.
Is this math?
Nice.
I don't know.
Okay.
Can you check? Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
You did it! Perfect! All process done. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Sie hätte wohl ein. Oh, sweet potato.
I love sweet potato.
Wasabon sugar. Organic strawberry wasabon sugar. I'll turn around.
Okay, this one looks like a
What is this? Curry bun.
Oh, right. Yeah, it's not the same.
Yeah.
Perfect. If not, it'll be a 1 hour rest.
What's our plan for the rest of the day? Because we're almost at the end.
Shopping.
The fact that there's still someone in Kyoto really is the temple of the temple. Oh, it's a very small. Oh, okay, okay.